Welcome back, guys. We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we are in the kitchen. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our best cotton candy machines. Indulging in the sweet, fluffy delight of cotton candy is a joy that transcends age. Whether you're hosting a kid's birthday party or simply craving that carnival treat at home, a cotton candy machine is your ticket to sugary happiness. Today, we'll take you on a whirlwind tour of the best cotton candy machines on the market. From compact countertop models to commercial-grade giants, we've got something for everyone. Uncover the perfect cotton candy machine to satisfy your cravings and add a touch of whimsy to your life. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the kitchen, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The fifth cotton candy machine in our list is the Nostalgia Classic Cotton Candy Machine, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. This little wonder is your ticket to a carnival right in your kitchen. Thanks to its special extractor head, you're the captain of your cotton candy ship. Flossing sugar or your go-to hard candies turn into these sweet, fluffy clouds with a spin. And oh, don't miss out on the Nostalgia Cotton Candy Kits for an even sweeter adventure. Trust us, they take this experience up a notch. Operating this machine is a breeze. Warm it up, add your flossing sugar or candy, and within minutes, you're indulging in delicious cotton candy. The classic retro design adds a touch of nostalgia to your space with its LED lighted power gauge, letting you know when it's ready to dazzle. The clear rim guard acts as a protective window, allowing you to watch the magic unfold. Cleanup is also quite simple, as the unit disassembles with ease. Plus, those suction cup feet ensure stability throughout the process. Your purchase even includes reusable cones, a sugar scoop, and an extractor head. Elevate your snacking game with this fantastic cotton candy machine. It's a delightful addition to any party or fun-filled family night. Now, the sugar tends to scatter and can stick to the machine's components, making cleaning a necessary task after each use. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for parents on a budget who want a budget-friendly cotton candy machine for their toddlers at home. The fourth cotton candy machine in our list is the PartyHut Large Commercial Cotton Candy Machine, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. The PartyHut Large Commercial Cotton Candy Machine is your gateway to creating delightful, fluffy carnival quality cotton candy with ease. It's a fantastic choice, and here's why. This machine doesn't require a degree in engineering to operate. Simply flip the switch, wait for a few minutes to heat up, pour in your favorite cotton candy floss sugar, and start twirling. It's user-friendly for beginners and pros alike. Additionally, it packs a powerful 1080-watt motor and a 20.5-inch stainless steel bowl, so this machine means business. It's not just for small gatherings, it can handle the demand of larger events, parties, or even a potential catering business. Another standout feature is its ability to produce approximately 2 to 4 servings per minute. This ensures you won't be waiting around for your sweet treats. Plus, when the party's over, it's easy to clean and maintain. The built-in 3-bin storage drawer is perfect for keeping your accessories and supplies organized. It also comes with a stainless steel scoop and extra motor drive belts. The power switch, heat controller, and voltmeter are all conveniently located on the front panel for easy access. Last but not least, the machine's safety device ensures it won't turn on unless the bowl is securely latched in, providing peace of mind. Due to its commercial-grade build, this machine is relatively large and heavy. This means it may not be the most portable option, and storage can be a challenge for those with limited space. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for event planners and caterers who can take advantage of this machine's commercial-grade quality in high-demand situations. The third cotton candy machine in our list is the Nostalgia Retro Cotton Candy Machine, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-batch rating. This one is your personal gateway to sweet, fluffy nostalgia right in the cozy embrace of your home. It's a versatile machine too. You can whip up irresistible cotton candy using traditional flossing sugar or your favorite hard candies. Imagine the flavor possibilities, from classic pink vanilla to your very own candy concoctions. And the best part? It's a breeze to use. Just warm up the unit, add your chosen sugar, and ta-da! In no time, you'll be savoring a cloud of delectable cotton candy, perfect for those sudden sweet cravings. Plus, the Nostalgia Retro design is a throwback to the era of jukeboxes and muscle cars. It adds a touch of vintage charm to any occasion, taking you on a delightful trip down memory lane. And the clear rim guard not only keeps things safe, but also allows you to watch the mesmerizing process of cotton candy forming. It's a treat for the eyes as well as the taste buds. What's more, after the delightful cotton candy experience, cleanup is a breeze. The unit disassembles easily for a thorough cleaning, ensuring that it's always ready for your next sugary adventure. Finally, the included safety guidelines emphasize the importance of proper cleaning and caution when operating the machine, ensuring that your cotton candy journey remains safe and enjoyable. Now it's worth mentioning that operating the machine can be quite loud. If you're using it in a quiet setting or have noise-sensitive family members, the sound might be a bit bothersome. The trusted shopping guide team recommends this for small-scale entrepreneurs who are looking for a great way to test the waters in a small cotton candy business. The second cotton candy machine in our list is the VIVO cotton candy machine, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-batch rating. The VIVO cotton candy machine is your sweet ticket to spinning delicious, fluffy cotton candy right at home or for commercial use. And here's why it's a fantastic choice. With a capacity to create 2 to 3 servings of cotton candy every minute, you can keep the smiles on kids' faces by handing out this delightful treat that brightens their day. The VIVO cotton candy machine also comes with a large 20-inch stainless steel bowl, a sugar scoop, a manual, and even a spare parts kit to ensure that you have everything you need for an enjoyable cotton candy making experience. Whether it's a birthday party, family gathering, school event, or any occasion, this cotton candy maker is the life of the party. Its simple setup and fast floss production make it easy to create the perfect snack for all ages to enjoy. And it's not just limited to granulated sugar. You can experiment with your favorite hard candies like Nerds, Lifesavers, and more to create unique and delicious flavors, adding a touch of excitement to your cotton candy creations. Alas, after the fun is over, this machine disassembles for hassle-free cleaning, saving you time and effort. Just a reminder, if you want a clear bubble shield to help contain and collect the cotton candy, it's sold separately. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for home entertainment enthusiasts who want to create a carnival-like atmosphere for movie nights, game days, and family get-togethers. The best cotton candy machine in our list is the Cotton Candy Express, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-batch rating. This little marvel is like having your own mini carnival at home, whenever you please. And here's the exciting part. You're not restricted to fancy flossing sugar. Get creative. Crushed hard candies like Jolly Ranchers open up a world of flavors and colors. It's all about mixing, matching, and just having a blast with your cotton candy. And when it comes to cleanup, no sweat. A little water and soap if needed and you're good to go. Plus, it's super lightweight at just 4.7 pounds, so it won't hog your counter space. And when you're done, it tucks away easily in a cupboard. Perfection! Despite its compact size, this machine is built to last. Crafted from heat-resistant plastic with a robust metal heating element, it's both sturdy and dependable. The rim shield offers the ideal spinning height while ensuring safety. The comprehensive kit includes everything you need from the home-use cotton candy maker to 5 vibrant colors of cotton candy floss sugar such as cherry, grape, blue raspberry, orange, and pink vanilla. With 50 white paper cotton candy cones, you're well equipped to make over 100 cotton candy cones. Plus, the flossing sugars are allergen-free, making them a safe and tasty choice for everyone. And the best thing yet? Operating this machine is a breeze. After it has warmed up, simply turn it off, add the flossing sugar, and then start spinning your cotton candy magic. With a quick on and off switch and straightforward operation, it's so easy to use that you'll wonder why you didn't get one sooner. Now, a small caveat here is that the machine is designed for simplicity, which means it may not be as versatile as more professional-grade cotton candy machines. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for aspiring cotton candy artisans who want to experiment with cotton candy creations and flavors at home. And there you have it, folks, our best cotton candy machines, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for a next cotton candy machine roundup that you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comment section below and we'll be sure to assess them for a next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you at TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.